Welcome to part 5 in our DSM demo series. In this demo, we will look at lifecycle management of the provider appliance. As you can see, I already have a number of databases that have been provisioned and are up and running. And what I plan to do is upgrade the provider appliance. You can see under the version and upgrade section that there is a built-in utility that allows you to update bundles to the DSM appliance. So you download that from the Broadcom portal and then upload it as shown here into the appliance. So this will take a little bit of time. Make sure you review the upload confirmation pop-up. It does actually say to keep this window open because it goes through not only the upload but also goes through the configuration of the appliance as well. So the easiest thing to do is to monitor the operation. The release bundle upload in the bottom there, and you can see that it'll go through a upload and then a processing. And when the processing is completed, you just give the UI a refresh or the browser a refresh, and you should see all of the necessary information now available. So you can see that there are a couple of steps available here. The first step is to stage the bundle. So that's essentially just extracting it and putting it in the appropriate location in the provider so that we can initiate the install. So once that operation has completed, you can go through the install as shown here. And so that will, as I say, upgrade the provider appliance to the latest version. And again, the easiest way to monitor the progress is through the recent operations, and it should change from in progress to success once again. You do get a pop-up telling you about how much time it's going to take and various things that will go on with the provider. You can imagine it being offline for some time. But basically, once the provider update operation is successful, you should now have the new control plane version installed. And you can check the upgrade history to make sure that that has indeed occurred. So typically what you also get with an upgrade of the provider or some new versions of the images. You can see them here, and again with any new image they are disabled by default, but you can actually go ahead and enable them and make them available for database provisioning. If you have some older database images that you no longer want to make available, you can disable those images through here. So now if you go back to your database creation process, you should see that we have the new versions, the 2.1.1 versions in this case, available for provisioning. And that completes the demonstration of Data Services Manager Lifecycle Management. I hope you found it useful.